Willoughby, Ohio, Fire Alarm Systems. Bond. What is the Willoughby, Ohio, Fire Alarm Systems Bond? A Willoughby, Ohio, Fire Alarm Systems Bond is a type of surety bond required for contractors who install, maintain, or service fire alarm systems within the city. It serves as a financial guarantee that the contractor will comply with local laws, building codes, and licensing regulations. The bond protects the city and the public from financial losses caused by negligent, incomplete, or unlawful work. Why is the Willoughby, Ohio, Fire Alarm Systems Bond required? The City of Willoughby requires this bond to help ensure that fire alarm contractors perform their work safely and professionally. Since fire alarm systems are critical for property protection and life safety, the city wants contractors to follow all applicable safety standards and ordinances. Requiring a bond also provides reassurance that customers and the municipality have financial recourse if the contractor violates regulations or causes damages. How does the Willoughby, Ohio, Fire Alarm Systems Bond work? The bond involves three parties: the contractor, the surety company, and the City of Willoughby. If the contractor fails to meet licensing requirements or violates local regulations, a claim may be filed against the bond for compensation. The surety may pay valid claims initially, but the contractor is ultimately responsible for repaying the surety for any covered losses. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.